If the human reference genome had not been freely accessible, understanding what genetic variations mean would be a very costly affair. Now imagine, if Tycho Brahe hadn't annotated his astronomical observations, Johannes Kepler couldn't have used them to support heliocentrism. If every database or tool had a license of its own, researchers would have to dabble in other disciplines. If data was not curated by experts, it would get outdated or end up in the wrong place. And if resources like the Global Encyclopedia of Proteins UniProt were no longer funded, initiatives exist already to improve data reuse, but data alone is not knowledge. Thanks to quality databases, researchers go further and faster. Let's support them with the skills of specialized data scientists. Let's turn open data into open knowledge. With your support, SIB, Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics.